In this video, we will learn common phrases that Americans use daily. Let's start.
Ordering food.
Where do you eat?
I eat in this shop.
What do you want?
I want some rice.
Who helps you order?
The waiter helps me.
How much is the rice?
It is $5.
When do you eat?
I eat right now.
Which drink do you like?
I like apple juice.
What else do you want?
I want a small egg.
Where is your seat?
My seat is over there.
How do you pay?
I pay with my phone.
Who sits with you?
My mom sits with me.
What color is your juice?
It is light yellow.
When is your food ready?
It is ready soon.
Which fork do you use?
I use this small fork.
How does the rice taste?
It tastes very good.
What do you think of it?
I think it is nice.
Who brings your food?
The waitress brings it.
Where do you put your bag?
I put it beside me.
How many eggs do you want?
I want one egg.
What do you drink after?
I drink some warm water.
When do you finish eating?
I finish in 10 minutes. Cooking at home.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking rice.
Who helps you cook?
My mom helps me.
Where is the rice?
It is in the bowl.
How do you cook it?
I put it in water.
When do you start?
I start right now.
Which pot do you use?
I use this small pot.
What else do you cook?
I cook some vegetables.
How much water do you need?
I need a little water.
Who washes the vegetables?
I wash the vegetables.
Where do you cut them?
I cut them on the table.
When is the rice ready?
It is ready in 20 minutes.
What do you add?
I add a little salt.
How does it smell?
It smells very nice.
Which spoon do you use?
I use this big spoon.
Who tastes it first?
My mom tastes it first.
What do you think of it?
I think it is delicious.
Where do you put the food?
I put it on the plate.
How many dishes do you make?
I make 2 dishes.
When do we eat?
We eat after 5 minutes.
What do you drink with it?
I drink warm water. Buying groceries.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy them in this shop.
What do you need to buy?
I need to buy vegetables.
Who goes with you?
My sister goes with me.
How much is the tomato?
It is $3 a kilo.
When do you buy groceries?
I buy them in the morning.
Which vegetable do you like?
I like fresh tomatoes.
What else do you need?
I need some potatoes.
Where are the potatoes?
They are over there.
How many potatoes do you want?
I want 2 big ones.
Who helps you pick them?
The seller helps me.
What color are the carrots?
They are orange and fresh.
When do we pay?
We pay right now.
Which bag do you use?
I use this cloth bag.
How do you carry them?
I carry them carefully.
What do you buy for dinner?
I buy some green vegetables.
Who pays for the groceries?
My sister pays for them.
Where do we put the bags?
We put them in the basket.
How does the cabbage look?
It looks fresh and big.
What do you think of it?
I think it is very good.
When do we go home?
We go home after buying. Feeling sick.
How do you feel today?
I feel very bad.
What's wrong with you?
I have a headache.
Who takes care of you?
My mom takes care of me.
Where do you feel pain?
I feel pain in my head.
When did you feel sick?
I felt sick this morning.
Which medicine do you take?
I take this small pill.
What do you want to eat?
I want some porridge.
How much water do you drink?
I drink a lot of water.
Who brings you medicine?
My dad brings it to me.
Where do you lie down?
I lie down on my bed.
When do you rest?
I rest all the morning.
What makes you feel better?
Warm water makes me better.
How is your throat?
My throat is a little sore.
Which blanket do you use?
I use this warm blanket.
Who checks your temperature?
My mom checks it.
What's your temperature?
It is 37 degrees.
Where is your water cup?
It is beside my bed.
How do you sleep?
I sleep very lightly.
What do you watch in bed?
I watch a short cartoon.
When will you get well?
I will get well tomorrow. Taking a bus.
Where do you wait for the bus?
I wait at the bus stop.
What bus do you take?
I take bus number 5.
Who waits with you?
My friend waits with me.
How long do you wait?
I wait 10 minutes.
When does the bus come?
It comes right now.
Which door do you get on?
I get on the front door.
What do you pay with?
I pay with my phone.
Where do you sit on the bus?
I sit near the window.
How many stops are there?
There are 5 stops.
Who sits beside you?
An old man sits beside me.
What do you see outside?
I see many trees.
When do we get off?
We get off at the next stop.
Which stop is yours?
My stop is the 3rd one.
How do you know the stop?
I hear the bus announcement.
What do you hold on to?
I hold on to the handle.
Who helps you get off?
No one helps me get off.
Where do you go after getting off?
I go to the park.
How is the bus ride?
It is smooth and nice.
What time do you get on?
I get on at 9 o'clock.
Which way does the bus go?
It goes straight ahead.